Welcome back to my last FIFA mobile pack opening video. As you guys can see previously, these are the players who I got for the elites. Benzema, Koulibaly, Modric. Oh man, this Modric. Then Scaveler, Akaba, Diego Lopez, I think, Leno. No, not even Diego Lopez. Never mind. I just upgraded him to, get some of the players. Leno, Luis Alberto, Sane, Wijnaldum, Tagliafico, he's a really good left back. Gerard Moreno, Lacazette, Paulinho, Umtiti, Blind, and I think Helsterberg. So let's see what 6.3 million coins can get you to do. Don't do this, but I'm only doing because it's gonna be my last time ever playing this game on this mobile. So, and it's the last day before a new update comes. So I'm just opening and spending everything just to see what we can get. Elite in the first pool. Nice. That's what you love to see. I just hope I can get another walkout. Come on, FIFA, it's my last pack opening. You need to give me a good walkout. Okay. Oh my. FIFA, let's go. Good walkout, please. Please. Any walkout will do. You have 5 million coins left. That's a lot of coins. Holy. Oh my. Okay, we got 2 elites. They're just not to the white standard. Man. Okay, let's go. We're getting a lot more elites now. Let's go. Let's keep this fire going. Let's go. Oh, that was elite. Cause you slow down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, I thought you guys were gonna be my elite. Okay, let's go. Oh, man, what is going on? I kind of feel like I don't want to spend entirely again, but we'll see. Oh my god. How? No way. Oh, he's the third best player in this pack. I am literally sure. Look at his rating. 89. No way. My luck is so good. What? That's crazy. How? No. I got Neymar and then Paul Pogba. What's next? Like, honestly, I'm spending a little bit more. Let's go. We gotta keep this flowing. One more. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it was gonna be another. Still can't believe I got Neymar and Pogba. This could be the. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's just spend it all. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm still so like speechless. My pack luck, it increased. I got Neymar and Paul Pogba. Like in like Neymar and then the next pack, Paul Pogba. That's insane to me. Jeez, what is going on today? Let's go. I got Sterling 86 rated. Oh my gosh. I have to keep going and see until the end, man. Like I'm speechless right now. Okay, can we get actual elites though? Like really good elites in the next 2 packs? Let's find out. What is going on? I got Koulibaly again. What is happening? Okay, you guys are not gonna believe this. Okay, should we just try 150k pack? You're probably not gonna get any player here, but let's try it. Oh, that was elite. I stick. Okay, check this out, guys. Okay, so this is my team. But look at the players we packed today. I am still speechless. So who we got? We got this Neymar. We packed this Neymar. I have to actually, yeah, but that's not the point. In that 250k pack, I packed that Neymar. And then today I also packed Benzema, two Koulibaly, Sterling, Modric, Paul Pogba. Dude, Paul Pogba. Gosh. Yeah guys, that'll be my last video. This pack opening, the last one, was so legit. I just can't believe how lucky I became. I packed Neymar and Pogba and Koulibaly and Sterling. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Make sure to drop a like on this video and I'll probably do more pack openings. Peace.